everyone, my name is Neva and I will be showing you how to send a secure message in PrimaryClinic Medical. When you're in your patient's record, click on Letters and then New to create a new letter. Select the type of letter you would like to send. After selecting your clinical letter, you'll be asked to select a recipient for the secure message. Find the person you'd like to send your message to. Then click Accept. Double check the details to make sure they're all correct. Once your letter is ready, click the X to exit to go back to send. Tick the checkbox of the document you want to send. Click Send and select ReferralNet. ReferralNet is the agent used for secure messaging in PrimaryClinic. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please visit our support page.